So that's the new tractor. Sometimes it starts and sometimes it doesn't. I've had it to the shop and they replaced the battery after I already replaced the battery. So I ran the old battery, the new battery down, and the shop replaced the other battery, and then they changed the battery cable out. And right now I'm having trouble getting it started. I had it running this weekend and actually started cleaning up the place a little bit by knocking down the scrub, but I just saw that the bolt on the starter that attaches from the battery cable is glowing red hot when I'm cranking on it, so I'm waiting for a call back from the service center to advise I may have to go get a new starter, and they quoted me a lot, like 2,500 bucks. I may have to bite that bullet and do it just so I have a working machine. I guess that's part of the benefits of ownership, right? But anyway, I'm gonna continue working on that, but let's go check out some other stuff I got going on. You can see here how I've knocked down some of the scrub just to get an idea of what I had to work with. Really open the place up. Then I moved the burn barrel over here next to the wood pile. Gonna start burning that today. I think I'll start by emptying this thing out and starting fresh. Well, there you have it. I got myself a dumpster. Now I can start filling it. Latest news is I found a salvage company to come and take the buildings down and clean them all up at no cost to me. So the deal is they get to keep all the all the useful materials, and that's where they get their profit. So I think that's a pretty sweet deal. So I put that for free on Facebook Marketplace, and I got about 30, at least 30 inquiries just asking if it's available. They can come get it now. People really want this for some reason, and I went ahead and chose this one company that wants just all the metal and everything. They're going to clean it out free of charge. They're cleaning it off the property, all of it. They're going to take care of that building, and they're going to take care of the third building. So that's it's an amazing deal for me. This has been burning all day. I feel like I made a little bit of a dent over here on that wood pile, this wood pile, and this wood pile. And over here was a bunch of sheet metal siding, roofing stuff. I moved it all around to over here, and I uncovered a black snake that was right there, and he crawled off, so I have no idea where he went. Hopefully he's just back there hanging out. Still having trouble getting the tractor started. Something going on with the wiring to the starter. You can hear it turn over until it arcs, and then it doesn't turn over anymore until I go back and wiggle the wires. So there's something going on with that. I found our snake again. Let's see if he left. No, he's right there. I moved this, and he was all curled up inside that, around that cup holder. Look how cool he is. He might not like me. Oh, look at his tail. Okay. All right, buddy, you can go ahead and take off. Can snakes hear? I don't know if they can hear. Well, he's following directions. Look, that's a snake skeleton right there. I do believe. I think that's more than just a shedding. All right, buddy, go about your business. Have a nice day. Just touch his tail. He doesn't like that. Bye-bye. Well, I'm about to call it a day here. Just unhooked the trailer. I'm going to leave it here. Try again in the morning, get this tractor started. I couldn't get it to turn over at all. Something shorted out in the starter, so I'm going to bring some tools tomorrow and try to work on that. I'm not ready to call this day a complete failure. I got some wood burned. I found somebody that's going to come tomorrow morning, first thing, and start taking these buildings apart for free. That is just an amazing service. So yeah, they just get to keep whatever is salvageable off these buildings, and it's theirs, and they're going to take it away. Also got the dumpster dropped off. And one more thing, I found out that I can get a 20-foot shipping container, which I can lock up and seal and keep out of the weather, and it'd be very secure, for $2,000 and another $500 and something for delivery. So I think I'm going to do that. Get it put back over there behind the red building, and it's just going to be my garage for this thing when and if it ever gets running, and also a place to keep tools and things I need out here, so I don't have to keep hauling it back and forth from my house to here, and keep it in the back of the vehicle. So yeah, not a 100% successful day, but progress for sure. see, stuff like this. This is the kind of stuff that can stay here, but no, it's got to live in the back of my truck for a while. Just not sure who's walking through here at night, on the weekends, or whenever I'm not here. So you gotta think about that stuff. You know, stuff like this is easy to pick up and throw in somebody else's vehicle, and you know, they think it's okay because this place is abandoned. Obviously, it's looking less abandoned every day. So, plus there's equipment parked here, so you never know. I also forgot to mention that I found one of the corner stakes of my property right around here, and this is what it looks like on the ground.